Good morning, children. Today we will open your English reader book on page number 1, the first lesson. Lesson 1, the best advice I ever had. Now here the word advice is the ones we grown-ups they give us when we are very small. Okay, so the best advice I ever had. This is a lesson, a small part of it which is taken from the lesson from it was from Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. She is the one who wrote about it. Do you know who Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was? She was a former High Commissioner for India in United Kingdom, and above all, she was a sister of late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And this is a small incident which took place in her life. The best advice I ever had came from one of the greatest soul of the world, has been known as Mahatma Gandhi on a sunny afternoon. So the advice which was given by Mahatma Gandhi to Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, it is talked about there. It happened in a period of a very small in her life when she lost her husband at a very small age, and she had no son, and the property was divided. The property was taken away from her because she did not have a son and she had two little daughters, and she became very upset because of the outlaws which was there for the property, and she had a broken heart with the family members that they did not supported her for the law. At this time, I went to pay my respect to Gandhiji and say goodbye before leaving for America to take part in a Pacific Relations conference. After our talk, he asked, "Have you made your peace with your relatives?" Now, when we are upset, that time when we work out, when we go to a journey, when we go for a conference, then it becomes very difficult for us to adjust in that. So it was Gandhiji who asked her, and she was very surprised. I was amazed that he would take side against me. I have not quarreled with anyone, I replied, but I refuse to have anything to do with those who take advantage of an unknown law to create a difficult and humiliating situation for me. Gandhiji looked out at the window for a moment, then he turned to me and smiled and said, "You will go and say goodbye because courtesy and decency demand this. In India, we still attached importance to these things." So still nowadays also, when we have जब हमारे साथ अनबन होती है तो हमको आगे जाकर उनसे माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए और डिसेंसी बतानी चाहिए. ये दो चीज़ें अभी तक सोसाइटी में चल रही है. "No," I declared, "not even to please you will I go to those who wish to harm me." So eventually she makes up her mind that I will not be going, but she did not have peace with herself. And there is one thing which I want everybody to know, the children, when you know it. Can you escape from yourself? Will you find happiness outside when there is a bitterness in your heart? Think it over. Be little humble. You have lost a loved one. That is a sorrow enough. Must you inflict further injury to yourself because you lack courage to cleanse your own heart? So this is a very philosophical thing which I don't have to explain you because you are too small to understand it. But you will have to understand it. Till here this is a first part of it. We'll go with the next part next time.